Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadian bau ba san bor sulai, ulak leh khmat upat ba, haka dor bar ba jong ka bri nyutrem. Ba mau ringkat bau ba el hang, kin sami no nak sang BJP, lada ka sarkar NDA Delhi, ka pentrekam ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Hajala Meghalaya kumjo hakani kathan chati lami ngi hi barakawai halor kani ka jingkren jong baksan bor sulai ka Batisi TV kalayo lar pan bantuat jingmot halor kani sanau MLA ka penthorum khra ubalong ru menteri hakani ka sarkar MDA uba AL hang ubalong MLA jong ka sang BJP
ka mga baksan bor menhag bagani ka last month ngali ban ai prestige u prime minister nagabanta gani ka CAB Citizen Amendment Bill ngila ai ki kanang mangi ong bamangi na po Meghalaya all the NGOs all the public even the government ro representative u last March we have taken the decision we are opposed this citizen bill amendment of citizen bill. I appreciate the opinion Jong Sanbor but anything ila nga mga Shim before I take any decision I consult with the party and I take a collective decision. I will not take any hasty decision in this matter. Anything it has to be, collective decision. It will be taken at the party level. I will not take any hasty decision, but I appreciate the opinion and what Basanbor has said. I welcome whatever opinion of Basanbor. I appreciate that one. But before we take any decision, we have to, consult among the party workers and party and the party level only. If the resigning is a solution, we have no way. I welcome. But when we are in a party, we should fight first within the party. I don't believe that resignation is a solution. I believe to fight within the party only, to find a solution. Only when we have reached to, the climax, which has not come to any decision which is benefit to the people in the state, then only we can take decision. Not immediately like that. Till unless has not become an act, I will not be able to tell you anything at present. I'm telling you, the thing is like this. We'll take an act. We'll take the decision only when it has been consulted in the party level. This is my personal opinion. Any issue doesn't translate it to votes. I'm not talking about only this issue. Any other issue in the past, which have been my experience, that is my personal experience, doesn't translate it to votes. I'm not talking about this issue, I'm talking about all the issues in the past. Not only these issues. All the issues in the past, which has taken issue from any government to another government, from one party to another party, doesn't translate it to votes. No, I don't know what is their justification, but Meghalaya BJP, Meghalaya MLA BJP, even the government, we are opposed to this bill. Not consulted any but only when the platform will come to speak about the Meghalaya, we are with the people. Any bill, any issue which is against the state and the people, we are not accepting. See, I oppose, why? Because they have a base on the religion basis, which I do not like it. Very clear. It's not based on religion. You should base on what the Constitution says. We are here to implement the true spirit, in letter spirit of the Constitution of India.
But Christians are going to benefit from the bill.
No. I'm not saying Christian, Hindu, Sikhs or anyone. But why left out any particular religion? Tell me. Why? Which is enshrined in the Constitution of India.